I like everything Greenworks has, from lawn and garden to tools. Great price, easy to use and battery life is great. This 24V brushless cordless impact driver kit from Greenworks arrived as shown in the listing here. Within the box everything is already packed away within the carrying case, showing that being able to pack away this impact driver within its carrying case was not just an afterthought. Good to see. Within the carrying case is the impact driver, 2 batteries, a battery charger, a set of 8 bits, and 3 instructions manuals. There is an instruction manual for the impact driver, the batteries, and the battery charger. The listing here reads that the impact driver provides 1900 in lbs of torque, however the box reads 1950 in lbs. It's a small difference, I'm not sure which is most accurate. It features a brushless motor, which is good to see. The 2 batteries is also a good plus, so if a battery goes empty while working, you can place it on the charger, grab the fresh battery, and continue working. The charger is basic, but it gets the job done. The green color light on it flashes while the battery is charging and becomes steady once charging is complete. This impact driver, for the price, it's decent. Good for around the house stuff where I sometimes need an impact driver. The driver feels nice, easy to grip, balanced well, and is a bit smaller than some others out there. The listed weight is 4.7 pounds with the battery attached. I can't complain, it's a bit nicer than I expected, though like other tools, only time will tell how well it holds up. Click link in description for more reviews.